Welcome to VOMO. Today I'm going to show you how to add a project to an existing campaign. Now, when you are looking at your hub, you can see you have multiple campaigns that exist, and each one has a number of active projects. For example, the health one here has 4. The way to go about adding projects to campaigns is twofold. You can either do it in the process of creating your project or an existing project, but in this case I'll just do a brand new one. And as you're filling out the details, you'll see there's a section here called Join a Campaign. So if this is a test project, let's just say I can go ahead and add it right there to that health campaign as I prepare the project. And then once upon being published, it'll automatically be added to that campaign. I can also add it to multiple campaigns at the same time. So that's part of the beauty of adding a project to a campaign while you're creating the project. The other way is to do it from the campaign side. So these are my existing campaigns with some projects on it. I'm going to go back to the health one here. And I can easily add a project by hitting the Add Project button. Here below, I can see the ones that are already on there, but I'm going to select Food Pantry as the project that would be added to this campaign. If I hit Update Campaign, it'll be added to this project that's already here. And that is how you add a project to a campaign. Thanks for watching.